Welcome to our Wix website design tutorial. Today, we will explore Wix's features that can help you create stunning websites effortlessly. First things first, let's dive into the wide range of templates Wix offers. Choosing the right template is crucial for setting the tone of your site. Now, let's customize your chosen template. Adjusting the layout, colors, and fonts allows you to express your unique style. Next, we'll explore how to add and manage content. This includes inserting text, images, and multimedia elements to make your site engaging. Wix provides a variety of apps to enhance your website's functionality. Let's see how you can utilize them effectively. Don't forget about mobile users. Wix makes it easy to optimize your website for mobile devices. Let's get started. Setting up basic SEO is crucial for your site's visibility. We will cover how to effectively set titles, descriptions, and keywords. For those wanting to take it a step further, let's delve into advanced SEO techniques, including how to integrate analytics and manage metadata. Once you're set up, it's time to preview and test your site. This ensures everything looks just right before you publish. Congratulations! You're now equipped to create an amazing Wix website. Next, consider what features you want to add moving forward.